Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add photos on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now tap on the plus sign from the bottom. By default the previous options on TikTok were all videos. But now you can upload a photo, or just take a photo and post it on TikTok. You can also add music, text, stickers, or filters to your photo before uploading it to your TikTok video. Then tap on Next. Now you can add a caption, hashtags, tag someone, add location for your video. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the post button from the bottom to share it on TikTok. That's it. Your photo has been uploaded to your TikTok video. So in this way, you can add photos on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.